Hey everybody, it's Ronnie here with our next educational moment. I wanted to take a minute, being in the spirit of the tax season right now, to talk a little bit about a big issue that I've been running into since the change in 2018 to the tax code. We all remember back in 2018 that they reduced the income tax brackets for everybody. So we were now essentially paying less income tax in our paychecks based on income rates. One of the things that I hear so much, especially over the last couple of years, is this frustration around, where did my tax return go? And one of the things that I think is important is to really understand, what is a tax return. If you really think about it, a tax return paid in April is usually extra money that you gave the government over the last entire year you didn't have to give the government. And so ultimately what you did is you gave the IRS a non-interest bearing loan. And I know for most people that's not a fun thing. That's not something to be excited about. Where I think most people actually get excited about a tax return is because most of us, unfortunately, when it comes to our monthly cash flow and budget, are financially undisciplined, if we're really honest. And at the end of the day, that tax return represents a nice chunk of change that we get to do the fun stuff at the end of the year, build our new deck, go on a vacation. The reality is that a tax return is inefficient. It's not a good thing. And what really needs to happen is more financial discipline to really better understand and identify, what do we have coming in and going out on a monthly basis to serve our needs so that we can be as efficient as possible and maximize the amount of money we're getting in our paycheck, as opposed to giving the government that non-interest bearing loan. So this is a really important subject that I talk to a lot of people about, because I think most people are confused a bit about all of this. At the end of the day, you do have an opportunity to get more money in your paycheck, and we're always here to help to show you ways to do that. So until next time, take care.